Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we have a delightful treat in store for you, pancake batter muffins. If you love the fluffy goodness of pancakes and the convenience of muffins, you are in for a real treat. Let's dive right into the recipe. First thing first, preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, combine 2 eggs with some melted butter, milk and some sugar. Mix it really well until the sugar dissolves. Add few drops of vanilla essence and mix it. Now slowly add the dry ingredients, some all-purpose flour and baking powder. Mix and break all the lumps and the smooth pancake batter is ready. Now using a spoon or an ice cream scoop, fill each muffin cups about 2/3 full of our pancake batter. This will give them enough room to rise and become gloriously fluffy. You can add any toppings for these muffins. Here I added some sprinkles and some chocolate chips. You can also add dry fruits or nuts. Now pop the muffin tin into the preheated oven and bake it for around 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into center comes out clean. The aroma in your kitchen will be amazing. Once they are done baking, take the muffins out of the oven and let them cool in the tin for a few minutes. Then transfer them into a wire rack to cool completely. These muffins are wonderful, warm or at room temperature. And there you have it, our delightful pancake batter muffins are ready. Perfectly golden, fluffy and bursting into flavors. They are great for breakfast, brunch or a quick snack, or perfect for your kids' lunchbox. Thanks for joining us today into this incredibly easy and delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy baking!